Well, it's day 2 of the Winter Wonderland Snowmageddon 2026. And I had a lot of enthusiasm yesterday. Trying to work that up today. I'm feeling a little more cold. But I love this change of scenery. Reminds me a lot of my childhood, playing in the snow, sledding, like our neighbors over here. And it's a great time of winter for going inward for self-reflection. I've been keeping dream journals for some 20 years now. Yo escribo en mis jornadas de sueños. Hago 20 años. I used to look at them as a way to document my emotions, my desires, scenes of apocalypse giving way to adventure and visions of seduction. Now I feel less of a sense of the I in all of it, almost more like I'm watching the stories, like movies. Ahora me siento más como el espectador y menos lo participante. I've been trying to connect with the local crows, but they're a tough social scene to crack. Quiero conectarme con los cuervos en mi barrio, pero ellos son una banda dura. They're eager to accept my offerings, yet remain aloof to my offer of friendship. That's what I'm trying to do this weekend. My daughter and I, we've been cooking food, eating. I'm not much of a chef, but when it's cold outside, I love to make some warm, cozy snacks to enjoy on this cold winter's day. Winter reminds me of the joys of cooking, of the hearth, of gathering around the fire. El invierno me recuerda la alegría y la necesidad de cocinar. Trying to relax, enjoy life with all of its trials and tribulations, and make the best out of this crazy dimension we live in, with all of its suffering, all of its challenges, ultimately all of its joys. Aho. Food takes on a real significance in the cold as a lifeline to survival. The sweet potato fries, fresh cut with salt, black pepper, coconut oil, and a pinch of garlic. They smelled so good as Lilac took them out of the oven. Que rico estos chamotes. Okay. This is how joy looks. Este es la alegría. Pure abandon to the sensations of experience. Uquila, mi perra Oaxaqueña, she knows how to let go and find that joy of life. Growing up in Oaxaca, she never saw a snowfall. But here in Texas, it must seem like some magical playland when it snows. I want to find this level of abandon, to get out of my head and experience the joys just like Juqui. To me, that is the promise of a winter wonderland, the rebirth of joy and innocence inside.